Yo, what's up, guys? This is a new video. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the best tag generator out there. This tag, this tag will give you basically unlimited tag. It's called as rapid tags. Basically, all the other tag generators, it will give you only three tags. In this, the tags I'm going to show you, it will give you more than three tags. Trust me. And I'm using this one for my videos. Since my channel is based on programming, I will type Unity. It might take a while. Alright, never mind that. There you go. You got all the best Unity tags right there. Unity Origin, Learn Unity. So this is the this algorithm basically finds which is the best keywords for the Unity. You can just copy this. I have a video set up here below, and I can just paste this. It's a little over 40 letters, so just delete some, and that's it. This is very easy to use. I will leave the link to this website in the description below. Well, thanks for watching. Peace out.